Hello everyone, welcome back. So today's question is the length, breadth and thickness of a rectangular sheet of metal are 4.234 meter, 1.005 meter and 2.01 centimeter respectively. Give the area and volume of the sheet to correct significant figure. Okay, so we have given the length, breadth and thickness of a rectangular sheet. So we have to calculate the area and volume. So okay, first we will calculate the area. So we know the formula of area, that is length into breadth. So length is given, that is 4.234 into breadth is 1.005. If we calculate this, we will get 4.255 meter square. So area will be 4.255 meter square. So in the area, the significant figure is significant figure is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. So next we will calculate the volume. For the volume, we know the formula, that is length into breadth into height. Okay. So in the question, we are given the length and breadth in meter and thickness, that is height, is given in centimeter. So first we have to convert this centimeter into meter. That will be 2.01 into 10 raised to power minus 2 meter. So we can multiply this. So length into breadth we know, that is 4.255 into h will be the 2.01 into 10 raised to power of minus 2. If we calculate this value, we will get 8.55 into 10 raised to power minus 2 meter cube. Now from this volume, we can find the significant figure. Figure that will be the 1, 2, 3. So that will be 3. Thank you.